decided last minute I'm gonna film. So today we're gonna do a productive day in my life. It is, I don't even have on my Apple Watch, and the lighting is horrible, but it's currently 1:11 and I went to Starbucks. Okay, I got the grande ice white mocha with no whip, extra caramel drizzle and vanilla sweet cold foam, you know, the TikTok drink. It's a 5 out of 10 for me. I forget that I don't like espresso and that this was a latte based drink, and it's not sweet. I thought it was gonna be OD sweet, but it's not, and so I had to have my own sugar and it's still not even sweet, but it's not bad. So here's what we have on the agenda today. We need to do our chem assignment, we need to do our psych assignment, review Spanish, we need to work on our psych. I just completely blanked. We need to work on our psych group project. Maybe do some chem lab stuff. I think I'm gonna wait to do chem lab stuff next week just because I still have like a whole month in advance to do my work. So I think I'm gonna actually do that next week. But I already started on laundry. You can see it behind me, and I changed my sheets earlier this morning because I've been up since like 10 because my best friend had called me, and then I just stayed up after that. And so now we're going to just grind out the rest of the day. Oh yeah, and Bay's supposed to come over. If you don't know who Bay is, of course, that's my boyfriend. Sign off. That sounded really mean. I'm so sorry. I feel like this vlog is going to be all over the place, but I'm telling you, it's going to be productive. I want it to be productive. I'm going to show you my fit too before my camera dies, and I'm going to put it on the charger. I don't know how far back you guys can actually see me, but today's fit, we have on this flannel. I got this flannel from I think American Eagle Outfitters. If not, it's from Aeropostale or H&M. No, it's from American Eagle. We got on these leggings. Leggings are from Old Navy. Then we have on this cute Alpha Chi Omega sorority shirt, and I had on my white Uggs. And then we're just wearing these reindeer socks because they kind of match. Got the red and the white going on. We got a little brown going on, kind of matches. And then we have my blue light glasses. These are off Amazon, and they're actually like kid frame blue light glasses because I have a small head for a small body, for a small person. And now let's do some work. Let's get into it. I'm like, y'all probably like, this girl is so weird. I'm so energetic after I had that coffee because I don't do espresso. I hate espresso, and I could tell the espresso was giving me a lot of energy. Okay, bye now. I look a mess. I already finished my chemistry assignment. I just had to watch 2 videos. So we were talking about the heteronuclear diatomic molecules. So I just took my notes. This is what they look like, and then I did the work. It looks really confusing because I'm getting up there in the chemistry game. But it was basically like a lot of review on electronegativity and atomic radii. And so when I finish, I just turned on YouTube. Right now, I'm watching Annie Dubois. I think that's how you say it. I'm watching her videos right now on YouTube where I'm taking a break. And I just put up my laundry. I'm debating if I want to go ahead and start my psych assignment because it's 2:44. So yeah, I just put some more ice in my drink. I'm still not feeling the drink. Don't really like it. I should have just stuck with my normal, which is the caramel frappuccino. But if the holiday season got caramel brulee, that drink hit. Okay, let me tell you. So I just put up my laundry. My first set was just bedding, and I just put it in. And I redid my bed. So I did. Look, y'all, don't mind the mess, y'all. I was looking for my AirPods. Long story short, okay. Long story short, I lost my AirPods in like December, okay? But I have one AirPod, but I can't find the other AirPod in the case. So I, like, over the 2-month break that I have from school, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna check underneath my bed, see if it's there, clean underneath my bed. It wasn't there. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna redo all my drawers and go through my clothes, and maybe my AirPods are there. They wasn't there. Shook out all my clothes, like redid all my drawers and everything, so all my clothes are organized. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna check my shoe boxes because I used to have my shoe boxes stacked up over there. And I was like, well, maybe it fell in one of the shoe boxes, or maybe I set them in there and forgot about it. Shoe boxes wasn't there. So then last night I was like, okay, I'm gonna move my nightstand, which used to be right there, which is now on the side. I'm gonna move it and clean underneath my bed again, and maybe I just missed it. Still wasn't there. So long story short, I lost my AirPods, and that's why my room looks a mess. And I'm doing laundry, but I'm gonna clean my room later. So that's not the point. I'm just talking a lot. So yeah, sorry for that little spill, but yeah. purpose to ever do it. Getting this laundry done, pure. I'm so ugly. I should delete that. Time to watch YouTube videos and put up laundry. Right now I'm watching Video because I love her. Her videos are amazing.
Body cream, eczema, itchiness,
And we don't skip ads.
Rebalance the skin
Okay, we support all
microbiome, the living
YouTubers getting that
ecosystem of
point.
microorganisms on your skin. Lower
I finished cleaning my room and I put up all my laundry. So I'm lighting a new candle because this candle, as you can see, is done. Only thing I hate about delayed candles, you can't know what scent it is once you take off this one. But this one I'm about to light is called Apple Tree Picnic. I'm sorry, y'all can hear my boyfriend all in the background. I'm relighting this one. Woo. It smells really good, so. Hopefully don't catch on fire or nothing, because I stood it right there. I still did not finish this because, as I stated, like, I didn't really like it that much. But I drank at least 2/3 of it, or half of it. Kind of wasted my money, but it's okay. You live, you learn. But I'm finna finish my psychology notes and do my English assignment. If I don't do my English assignment today, it's not the end of the world, because I can do my English assignment during my scheduled psych time. Because like I stated in my first day of school, I only have psychology on Friday, so I can do it then. So really what I need to just get done is my chem, Spanish, and psych assignments. And I finished my laundry, so I'm gonna go ahead and cross that off the list. And I'm filming my YouTube video now, so I crossed that off the list when I'm done. So I really didn't have a big to-do list. I didn't show me doing my to-do list because I did it last night. Well, technically it was this morning because like 3 o'clock this morning, but we're not gonna talk about that. So let's get into finishing psychology, and yeah.
Es hora de comer. Es hora de comer. Es hora de comer.
El pollo. I forgot how you say potatoes in Spanish, but that's what we eating. Yes, pollo, come here. You want some potatoes?
My dog thinks I'm a genius.
We just go eat it
Geniuses possess special skills and always make smart choices. to find the best deals possible. Pet Armor Plus is the intake. Compare.
Hey guys, it's Editing Asia here. Apparently I didn't do an outro to the video, and I'm gonna partly blame that on my boyfriend because I get distracted when I'm filming. He's here because he always distracting me because he likes to throw things like socks at me. But anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. So much, all the way to the very end, and I hope that you guys did stick around to the end. As always, I would love to hear your feedback down in the comments section down below, or you can just give this video a like and a thumbs up, and that will let me know as well. As usual, I love you guys all the way to the moon and back. Be safe, be positive, okay? Spread good energies, and I'll definitely see you in the next Sunday upload. Until then, bye, and I love you.